Hi guys, now I want to show what is the refactor that will suffer my application. Basically, this application I built because it is one SaaS, it is the backend of my SaaS service, where basically I am trying to build one platform for nutritionists, where the nutritionist can't manage different patients, can manage, create nutritional plans also. And it is, for now, it is one monolithic because I still don't have customers. But I was studying some concepts about domain driven design, and I found that after to understand these concepts, I decided to reorganize my application, reorganize how is built my application. So I identify the domains. As you can see, I have 4 domains for now. Let's focus first here, out, in patients, in professionals, and back office. Uh, that is the modules that I identified previously. At the beginning, I create the modules in SAAS in that way, but without to use a strictly domain driven design. In fact, I still didn't have deep knowledge on it, so I decided to realize some basic modularization where I believe that it was domains. But if you as I reviewed in deep weight domain driven design, I finally achieved to the conclusion that the real domains that I have is the next authentication or out, because it is authentication or authorization out. I have also patients, professional, back office. And it is the corresponding subdomains. In this case, in out, I only have users. Patients, I only have patient plans, notes, chats, calories, patient questionnaires. In professionals, I have nutritional meals, patient groups, program tags, programs, professional questionnaires. And in back office, I only have nutritional meals. So, but the problem that I have now is to implement deep concept of domain-driven design as value objects, aggregators. First, I needed to realize one refactor to my application. Basically, now let's focus in the modules that now I have. As I said previously, my application is one monolith, and let's forget the focus now of mails and primary generator. Mails is basically to send mails to different to send mail to the patients, to the professionals. Primary generator is one test feature that I created. So let's not focus on that. Let's focus first mainly or uniquely in this, in out, patients, professionals, and questionnaires. And out it is okay. But if we check deeply in out, we have 3 modules here if we think in SJS terms. But if we think in DDD terms, onboarding should be inside users, and it should not be at the same level of users. So the first thing that I will realize here is basically introduce or move this onboarding module between users module. It will be part of users, so users will be one complete domain or one complete bounded context. After that, I have uh, I have questionnaires, but if you check here, I don't have questionnaires bonding context, but we have, or I have here questionnaires as part, as a module. In some cases, what sub bounding context, subdomain, but between or inside patients, inside professionals, inside back office. So I need to remove this bounded context from here. I have three sub-bounded contexts, three subdomains, and I will have to move these patient questionnaires between patients, professional questionnaires between professionals, and questionnaires that is basically these internal questionnaires, but in this case, but now the name is questionnaires only. I will change that name also, and for this questionnaire module I will create a new. I have to create a new bounding context that will be back office, and finally I will move these internal questionnaires here. That is the refactor that I will need to realize. Now that I am doing this video, I saw also that I have another module that I didn't consider here, that is mails, and I don't know still what really I will do with this bounded context, that is program generator mail. I don't know. I still don't analyze. I still don't analyze because I am seeing recently. So I have also to analyze what will do with these modules in terms of messages, program generator and mail generator. Mail, sorry, not mail generator, only mail. So that is the refactor that I need to realize here. Some people will think, but if it is your SAAS, what reason you are applying domain driven design? Because basically it is I am creating it in my free time. I am creating it as a hobby. So I don't have some pressure or to get rapidly or quickly my customers. In fact, whatever change that I realize in my code will work, because basically I create this software basically copying to another business. I saw how another business create its software, and I decided to realize the same thing. Basically, one copy paste of business of software. Obviously, internally the code is different. I believe that my the the business where I copied it, his software is created with Rust. No, that's not. I don't remember the programming language, but it is in another programming language. It is built entirely in TypeScript. His front end is also in another framework. My front end is built in React, and the technology for the backend that I am using is Nest.js, of course, and really always some framework to create backend with Node.js. So for now, for now is everything that I wanted to say. So in another video, I will realize one video explaining how I am implementing value objects, aggregators in the software. If you want to see the software, it is free. It is public. My GitHub, I will leave the link here. Sorry. So this is all for now, guys.